Hello everyone, Mr. Price here with your writing lesson for the day. So, over the last 2 weeks, we have been working on our Google Slides presentations regarding cause and effect. You're working on Hurricane Katrina projects, while I've been mirroring your work with this Japanese earthquake and tsunami of 2011. We've got all of our slides written. Today, we're going to work on adding media. So what that means is, just like I've done with my slides, I've added a photo to go with each one. You're going to need to add at least 3 to your presentation. So you don't have to have one for every slide like I've done, but you need to have at least 3 for the purposes of your presentation. I'm going to show you how you go about doing that right now. So I left my solutions slide without one of the pictures so that I could do this one with you. And I searched for the recovery of the Japanese tsunami 2011. And I determined that this picture right here was one that I'd want to use. It shows kind of a before and after shot. They blended them together. This half shows the wreckage that ensued because of these disasters, while the image on the right shows what remains after they've cleaned everything up. So I thought that would fit for my slide that's about the solutions. So I would right click it. I believe if you're on a Chromebook it's alt click, and I'm just going to hit copy image. I'm going to go back to my presentation. I'm going to right click on a blank space, and I'm going to paste that image, and it's ended up covering my work, so that's no good. I need to make sure that I control it with these blue dots. When you get that diagonal line, it means you can shrink it proportionally. It still doesn't allow me to read the writing, even though I've shrunk the photo, so I'm going to take that box. I'm going to adjust that as well. Notice these red lines that sometimes pop up. Those are guidelines. They're showing you how things are aligned throughout your presentation. So I am just kind of tidying it up right there. But you can see that I've added my photo. It's as easy as that. You have to do that 3 times throughout your presentation. The last thing that you're responsible for today is adding that works cited information. So please go back to that works cited document that you made. Remember, you need to have 3 sources in total. Wikipedia cannot be one of them. You're just going to bring up that information, and you would highlight it all. Either alt click or right click it, and you're going to copy it. You'll go back to your presentation, and you will paste that information. I've already done that. You can see it's sitting there, so I'm not going to do it again. That's it. That's all you're doing today. Finishing things up. I hope this video has been helpful in helping you to figure out what you need to do for your assignment today. Let me know if you have any questions, or stop by office hours. I know Miss Lynch or I would love to work with you and help you. Take care. Have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.